32-year-old Callie Garay was killed outside a Madera health clinic on July 14, 2020. Her estranged husband, Julio Garay Sr., was arrested and charged in the killing. KSEE 24 has obtained exclusive documents showing Callie's father, Keith Trout, has now filed a $55 million claim against the County of Madera, the State of California's Department of General Services, and the United States Department of Health and Human Services, holding them responsible for his daughter's death. The claim describes Callie as a battered wife who suffered years of abuse from her husband. In a statement provided to police before her death, she recalls several instances of brutal abuse, saying Julio had choked her in front of her kids, held a gun to her head, and once stabbed her in the leg with a screwdriver 5 times. She said he'd also threatened to kill her. Callie went to Chowchilla police in May of 2020, and Julio was arrested for spousal and child abuse but bailed out. Callie was granted a restraining order. The claim says she was taken in by the Madera Department of Social Services and placed in the Martha Diaz Battered Women's Shelter, and a shelter employee later drove Callie to her appointment at the Camarena Health Center with her 3 sons. The claim says at least one employee or agent of the County Social Services Department, the shelter, and/or the health center told Julio where and when Callie would be the day she was killed, aiding and abetting in her death. Now her father claims Madera County Social Services employees failed to properly assess the risks of Callie's situation and keep her schedule private. The claim also holds the state and federal governments responsible, saying the California Department of Social Services failed to adequately supervise the actions of the county department, and that the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services also didn't adequately supervise the county and state departments. And that claim is expected to reach Madera County in the next few days. We've also reached out for comment, but we still haven't heard back. And Julio Garay Sr.'s trial is expected to start on Tuesday. Reporting live from the Madera Police Department, Shauna Kalafi, KSEE 24, local news that matters.